Something Marissa would do.
Missing her?
Always. Don't you miss your girlfriend?
Every day. She makes me better, braver. When we met, I was actually afraid to be affectionate with her in public.
How come?
My parents. Their influence comes in waves, but she was patient. When I finally had the courage to hold her hand in public, I realized how little that mattered. Is it bad to admit I miss my parents sometimes?
No, because I miss mine as well, even after everything. But what matters is we know what we deserve now.
Oh.
It just hurts because I really thought I understood them, but I don't.
Oh, Mokey, I hate to see you handstand cry. It's impressive, but it's sad.